It's very quiet. So this thing is basically new. It runs on Haas Classic controls as well. So the I believe they're Sigma 1 motors. So this is my 2006 VF2 TR. So it runs on these motors. So even a classic control can run these motors, and I think all the next gen controllers can also run this rotary. So they should be all backwards compatible, from what I understand. So yeah, it does not have the auxiliary encoder on the A. So I'm not sure what the P2 means as far as the code for the motors. But as you can see, this thing is very clean. All the stickers are still on it. You know, everything works, everything's quiet. Brakes work. It's basically unused. So I just don't have a use for it. I've already got 2 other TR160s for 2 machines. So I don't really have a use for this one. This basically new Haas TR160. Everything works on it. All the brakes work. It is backwards compatible with the next gen control. It's working right now on my Haas Classic controls, a 2006 VF2 that's running this right now. As you can tell, it's in extremely good shape. You know, it's got all the stickers still. All I did was just clean it up, and I can put this on a pallet and ship it wherever. Yeah, so that's basically it. TR160.